Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Splendid, and they're looking for a social media community manager. He pays $20 an hour. Responsibilities will include managing conversations across all social media channels, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest, primarily the first two. This role will report and work directly under the social media manager and will assist with community management and engagement, actively engaging with both existing customers and seeking potential new customers, audiences within social media platforms while fostering relationships, building conversations, and providing excellent customer service. Other duties may be assigned. Use excellent customer service and communication skills to support and nurture customers and consumers using our brand's voice. Respond to comments and customer queries in a timely manner. Documenting, reporting, and managing resolving customer queries and complaints submitted through social platforms. Monitor and report on feedback and online reviews plus customer comments. Coordinate with marketing, PR, and customer service teams as needed by identifying red flag situations on social media to ensure brand's voice consistency. Must be able to communicate courteously and de-escalate situations and conversations in a way that ensures brand image is upheld and situations are expertly resolved in a timely manner. Build relationships with customers, potential customers, industry professionals, and journalists, potential partners, and current brand partners through daily engagement, interactions across platforms. Identify, report on, and engage with top interacting profiles. Exploring tag content to select/share shareable content and repost content to Instagram stories intermittently. Assist social media team in day-to-day activities such as influencer initiatives, contest winner communications, partner scan/engagement, and content brainstorming. Using social media monitoring tools to monitor, measure, and listen, build reports and insights to communicate to management. Stay up to date with current events to tie into social content. Actively monitor conversations in the fashion, lifestyle, wellness space using social listening tools and insert Splendid into the conversation where applicable in daily engagement. Brainstorm and share ideas of how Splendid can continue to appeal to our target audience. Report on engagement goals and help strategize how we can see community engagement rate increase month after month. Preferred qualification: 2+ years of experience in customer service and our social media marketing field. Hospitality experience is helpful. Experience managing a major brand social media presence on Instagram or other highly trafficked social media platform. Track record with growing a brand's social media presence, high engagement rate, and follower count. Works well in a dynamic environment with minimal supervision. Communication skills and relationship building is key for this position. Ability to pinpoint when situations need to be escalated and experience at de-escalating customer situations is great. Copywriting experience. Are you able to quickly think of witty captions and responses? Creative thinking. Must be able to gather social media trends, pop culture, customer feedback to interpret it, and identify areas that can be turned into action items, reports to team, and inform on content trends. Influencer marketing experience is a plus. This job is full-time on a contract for $20 per hour, 8-hour schedule, and preferred 2 years of social media management. If you feel like you're the right candidate for this position, we'll have the link right in the description below and you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. For you to keep up, make sure you share this video, hit the like button, and also subscribe with hitting the notification bell if you want to get notified every single time we have the best work from home remote job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.